Welcome to another instalment of Johnny's Saturday Christmas Kitchen. Last week we made tiffin, this week we're making
chocolate chip cookies!
Woo! But we can't do that, it's Christmas, until we turn into our Christmas attire. Are you ready, Finn?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Whoa! Ho ho ho! Right, so, ingredients, what we got? 120 grams butter. We've got, much is that? 75 grams of soft sugar, 75 grams of some other brown sugar, self-raising flour, 150 grams of that, an egg, some dark chocolate. How much dark chocolate's in there? 150. 150. Oh, some baking powder. What you got?
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Awesome. Right. Okay. This is driving me mad. Right. Right. Turn the oven on. 180 degrees. Warm that up. And while that's happening, we're lining 2 trays with baking parchment over there. Okay. Get your handheld or your, what do they call them things? Like mixing bowl, jobby. Throw in the butter and the sugars all together and cream it all up. Chuck them in, Elfie. Keep mixing until it's all lovely and soft and you've broken down all the sugar and the butters. Mixed it up with a nice, lovely wet mix there. We're going to now stir in the flour. Half a teaspoon of bicarb.
That's too much.
Lovely.
And then salt.
Yeah, what is that? 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we add in 150 grams of chocolate chunks. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. Right, now we've got our mixture in the bowl.
My turn. Right. So now we've got mixture in the bowl. Can you get me the trays? What we have to do is get 2 spoons, 1 tablespoon, 1 any other spoon. And you need to grab the cookie dough like this, and then place it on the tray. Right, so now that you've got them all spread out on the trays, you can now lick the spoon officially. 8 to 10 minutes.
Woo!
Perfect. Merry Christmas.
Hi guys!
Are you filming? No. This is bloopers.
Count in, come on. That's a blooper. I don't know what I'm doing. Where's the recipe? Where's the instructions?
Let me do that. Let me do it, Dad. I don't trust you. If you think about it, that should actually be chips.
Just get a whole tray and just lump it on and then get a fork and enjoy.
Yeah.
That's what my recipe would say.
That goes with Christmas as well.
Definitely Christmas.
Oh no, it doesn't.
Yeah, I'm just having a sip.
COVID's a thing.
COVID's a thing.